Hi, I'm recording a little video here where I've been taking apart a Microsoft Surface Pro. This is the original, the first version. It had a problem where the SSD was not visible for install at all. And no matter what I did, I couldn't get it to install onto itself, and it didn't seem to be operating properly. So I decided to tear it apart in order to get to the SSD. I mean, the SSD is only a 64 gig as well, so by the time you've got Windows installed on it, there's probably not more than about 32 gig free. Or maybe 40 if lucky or something. But it's basically, at this point, it's now just a piece of junk that is going to end up in the landfill. And the reason why is because although I very carefully heated up the glue all the way around and used guitar picks to get in there and free the display from this unit, you will see quite clearly that up here there are some connectors, and there's one connector here and there's another connector that's there. But it's in fact, they come off in different ways. But I've got the feeling that these are the touch connectors. And this one here, you see these gold contacts here, I think they're supposed to be laminated onto this display here. And when the display came up, the glue was so strong that it ripped this connector off the display. So I've got the feeling that the touch functionality of this device now will be completely destroyed. So it basically, in the process of opening it to repair it, you destroy the device. And I should imagine, I mean, I'm a pretty sensitive person in terms of when taking things apart. I get the instructions first, I know what I'm doing, blah, 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 blah. But it's quite clear that this has been engineered in such a way that the glue is far stronger than the bond that bonded this little ribbon cable to the display up here. So the glue itself just pulled it clean off the display. I've got the feeling when I get this back on, this is not going to work. But we'll find out, but I'm pretty certain it's not going to work. So, Microsoft doing shit engineering again, making things so that if you attempt to open them up, they destroy themselves. I mean, I don't understand how someone like Bill Gates goes around the world pontificating and doing all sort of grandiose virtual signaling and philanthropic works, and they can't even build computers properly so that you can actually repair them. I mean, this device is basically a crime against humanity. I mean, this is designed to create landfill right here, the way that this is connected to this, and it's all gooped down with this glue, and even if you heat it up and treat it very gently, it just fucking destroys itself. So, yeah, I don't know how to put it, but fuck you, Bill Gates, and fuck you, Steve Ballmer, fuck you all at Microsoft who make all this shit that is just basically fucking unrepairable. Unpissing believable. And, that's the problem with making sealed units, isn't it? They want to make disposable computers. They want to build all this shit. They want to charge you £800 for it. And then 3 years down the line, they want you to throw it into the landfill. They want you to throw it into a bin, basically, is what they want you to do. They're certainly not building it with high enough quality that you don't end up having to repair it. I mean, this one was just completely unusable because it had lost the visibility of the SSD storage inside it. I mean, I don't know. It's just Microsoft, I don't know what the hell you think you're doing, but it's really criminal, whatever it is that you are doing. I said laminating things with glue so they can never be opened. Absolute crime. I'm sure if I looked up on iFixit, they say it's at a repairability score of 2 or something insane. But anyway, all right, just thought I'd do that video for the moment. Warn any other people taking it apart how delicate these connectors are, and that you will probably destroy your device trying to open it.